Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi R8 in Need for Speed Unbound easily. This powerful car can be yours by following a straightforward path within the game's story mode. You'll need to focus on progressing through the weeks and accumulating sufficient in-game cash to purchase it from the dealership. It's a rewarding process that puts you behind the wheel of a fantastic machine. To unlock the Audi R8, your primary goal is to advance through the main story mode. As you complete races and events, you'll progress through the in-game weeks. The Audi R8 usually appears in the dealership for purchase once you reach approximately week 3 of the campaign. Keep racing and winning to move forward efficiently. Earning enough cash is crucial for buying the Audi R8. Focus on entering and winning high-stakes races, as these offer the most substantial payouts. Don't forget to complete any available side activities or challenges, which can provide valuable bonus cash. Aim to save around $180,000 for the car itself. After reaching week 3 and accumulating sufficient funds, head to the in-game dealership to buy your Audi R8. With about $180,000, you can make this incredible car yours. Once purchased, dive into the customization options. Upgrade its performance and personalize its appearance to truly make it your own, ready to dominate the streets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.